On another day, when the Lord Jesus was playing and running around with the boys, he passed by the shop of a dyer named Salem. There were many clothes in that shop belonging to the people of that town, each with orders to be dyed in various ways. He saw a young man dipping some clothing and leggings into a rather gloomy color, dyeing them according to the instructions given by each of his customers, and placing them into the vat. The boy Jesus, entering into the dyer's shop, approached the young man who was doing this, took all of the garments and threw them into the dryer. When Salem returned and saw that the clothes had all been ruined, he started to rant and to rave and to take Jesus to task, saying, "Oh, son of Mary, what have you done to me? You have not wronged me alone, but my neighbors as well. They all wanted their clothing to be dyed properly, but you came along and ruined them entirely." Then the Lord Jesus answered him, "I will restore each and every piece to whatever color you wish." And immediately he started pulling the cloths from out of the dryer, and they were all colored as the dyer had intended. And when the Jews saw this amazing miracle, they all started praising God.